So let's start with the characteristics of a good professional. Okay, so characteristics of a good professional, the first thing is honesty. Not only ये वैसे इसके कुछ points कल हो गए थे, remaining one हम आज discuss कर लेते हैं, but let's have an eye of that. First of all is honesty. Honesty means not to be honest with the other people, but first of all try to be honest
मैम
with your
ये
own self.
सारे हो गए थे कवर कल।
ये सारे cover हो गए थे कल?
जी हाँ, बैड बिहेवियर भी हो गया था और ये भी हो गया था।
Okay, let's revise it today.
चलें ठीक है।
So first is honesty. Who will be discussing honesty?
मैम इसका कल यही डिस्कस हुआ था कि पहले अपने आप के साथ ऑनेस्ट होना पड़ेगा, फिर उसके बाद
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंग्लिश में ही आपने आंसर करना है। दूसरा ये कि जो डिस्कस हुआ था वो नहीं, ट्राई टू क्रिएट योर ओन व्यूज अबाउट दैट। ओके,
ठीक है।
जी वसीम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग?
Yes, ma'am. Honesty, first of all, we have to be honest with ourselves, and then with our profession, and we have to put our 100%.
एनीथिंग व्हिच यू वांट टू ऐड अप?
No, ma'am.
ओके, जी अहमद।
Ma'am, I think so. First of all, we have to honest with our profession rather than double-minded. Like I am a lawyer and I do like as a businessman. But first of all, we have to honest with single profession. Then I think so we do better in our profession, like professional life.
पहले तो बात ये जो आपने की थी आई एम अ लॉयर, वो आई एम लॉयर नहीं होगा, वो आई वांट टू बिकम अ लॉयर होगा। ठीक है,
Okay, okay, thank you.
ओके। सेकंड वन इज स्किल्ड। हु इज गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब दैट इन मिनिमम 5 sentences?
More professionalism.
ये 5 sentences मैंने कहा है, मिनिमम 5 sentences.
The one should be skilled enough in his domain. If someone is engineer or a doctor, he should know all the perspectives of his domain. Like
All okay. Anyone else? Jikra.
Yeah, ma'am. Skilled is we should have a skilled on that our profession, and we have to mastery in our professional. So if we have a skilled on that, on command on that
We have to
mas-
master this, not mastery.
master on sorry ma'am, master on in this profession that we select for our profession. So we have to skilled about that.
We have to be skilled about that.
Okay, ma'am. We have to be skilled about that.
Be क्योंकि
Right.
इसको आप इस तरह skilled is something which you want to achieve. Skill is something which you want to achieve, and once you have achieved that thing, it becomes skilled. और जब वो हो चुका होता है तो वो बी के साथ आ जाता है। बी एक्चुअली शो करता है किसी चीज के होने को, एग्जिस्टेंस को।
Yeah.
बी नाइस, दैट मीन्स नाइस होना है। तो स्किल जब आप हो चुके हैं तो वो स्किल्ड आ जाएगा, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग which you have attained and that becomes a part of the past now. So be skilled.
मैम being जो हम यूज करते हैं that we use being
Continuous
BING.
कि कोई चीज जब हो चुकी हो तो वो बी होती है, और जब वो उस होने के प्रोसेस में हो तो वो बीइंग होता है। ऐसे आप मतलब दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे टू मेक पीपल अंडरस्टैंड। बीइंग वेरी नाइस यानी कि आई एम बीइंग वेरी नाइस, वो तो मैं हुई, और ये कंटिन्यूअस में कि मैं रहती भी नाइस ही हूँ। या बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, like this.
Okay, done.
Anyone else or the same thing? Amar, do you want to add something?
no, madam.
Ji Daniel.
Ma'am, skill is basically a certain set of tools that you basically acquire relevant to your field, which gets, I think, implemented in your professional practice.
Good.
and then later on, I think some of the skills becomes part of your personality as well. Like honesty. I think honesty is a skill too. Like good at ethics.
Mm-hmm.
I think these all things represents your skill level two.
Good. Next is committed. Ahmad, please explain committed. Okay, Sajid, would you like to explain?
No, ma'am, but I have a question.
Sure.
Daniel explained honesty is also a skill. How can honesty be a skill? Please explain this. I can't
Achha,
understand.
this question is from Daniel, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Daniel, please answer how honesty could be skilled.
Ma'am, I rather take it as a skill because